Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm black and white, and now one of the shot of many shots. I kind of like the posing. Okay. Well, today I want to colorize this black and white first, then try to make something different, impressive image. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image already, and I don't know, I may try later, I don't know. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna colorize this black and white image first. So I'm gonna add layer for color. Okay, change the blend mode to color. Now, and when you colorize, you don't need any texture of the color, so just the information of the color. So I'm gonna choose airbrushing to medium blend. Oops, too big. Use eraser tool, same brush. Airbrushing to medium blend for eraser tool. And brush to medium blend, same thing. Now I go for skin tone, makeup. Lips first. Then reddish. Okay, pretty much down for model, and go for background. Let's see this pencil drawing type image. Interesting, isn't it? Luminosity effect. Well, let me try this. Select 3 of them, then make group. Now duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now we got one image. Now this color is pretty thin, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer again. Then change the blend mode to multiply, so color goes darker. Now pretty interesting. Then I'm gonna merge down. We got this image to be the base. That's interesting. Well. And I'm gonna break this group, get out of this group outside, then just delete this group folder, then just this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna bring this blend mode, bring back to normal for keep, then just rename all 4 layers. Okay, I changed all the names. Now this is original image, black and white. Then this is color. This is pencil drawing type image. And this last one is luminosity effect layer. Now, this black and white image I may use later. I don't know. Just in case. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then just turn it off to keep it, but combine down with this color, just flatten. Okay, black and white image. This is just for keep. Then this color original is the color photo. Then let's see this luminosity image, luminosity effect image. Move this layer to, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I wanna see this luminosity effect layer. Go down. Then let me see, change the blend mode. Maybe color burn. Yeah, these two layers. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make mask on original color photo. Make mask. Invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this mask with evolve. Now I want to add another layer and normal blend mode, same evolve. Okay, I'm gonna add color with air brushing, soft brush. Using smudge tool, same airbrushing, same soft brush. Then let's see, make mask, invert mask. Now we use brush, evolve. Well, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, colorize and well, let me see. Okay, this is the original image, black and white. Then I colorize first, then make it this color photo. Then after that, I made the luminosity effect layer, change to the color burn. Get this color effect. Then I made mask, then add some background color. Well, I guess that's it for today, huh? Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.